So I got another cosmetic line for my Camaro. Decided to get these side markers from AliExpress. And they actually says SS on it. And I'm about to start it in the car right now. There is one flaw I found out about these side markers, and it is on the ends it's not sealed all the way, so you have to put silicone around the ends. If not, you will get water inside of your side markers and it will blow out one of your LEDs. I just had a second set and I did it to that set. So I found out which one has the biggest side marker, and it's the rear. The rear is bigger than the front. But the tools you'll need is a T20 Torx and a flathead. And you will need the T20 to loosen up 1, 2 of these torque bolts. I lied, there's 3 of them. There's one at the bottom too. Now pull this back. If I can get it open. Ooh. This is where your flathead comes in play. Take this flathead, pull this back, just enough so you can reach that tab that's in there, and push on that tab. Okay, so I got it. I know which one it is. So it's a gray tab. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a gray tab in there. Pull on that, and it's gonna come out. Wait, flathead. Oh, I had it pop back in place. There you go. You'll get this result. So pull out and pull towards you, and it comes right out, just like that. Then unclip it with, I think there's a clip right here, and pull it out, and it should come right out. Oh, you can twist the bulb out too. Take this. Hey, leave this part connected. Just leave that part connected. You ain't even gotta take that part off. Take this in. It doesn't matter which side. And plug it into this. And before we reinstall this, make sure that it works. And it works. It'll look better at night. I'll show y'all the results at night. You want to take this housing and put it right up in here, just like the old side marker. It's a little twist to it. Line it up with the grooves. and you'll feel it secure itself. Yo, I just learned that it does matter which one that you choose to put on. So if you ever find yourself having this connector pointing like this when you're trying to put it in, that means that you need to switch out the side marker. It's the wrong side marker. You gotta use the different one. Other than that, push it in, push that clip over some. Clip. Yes. It's in there. Okay, if you got big arms like me, well, not big, but long arms like me, there's a cheat code that you can do. Instead of going in here, taking these screws out, you can just take your long arm, stick your hand up underneath, and mess with that clip up in there. Now look, I got the stock mufflers on here right now, so this is doable. Just feel for the clip. The clip gonna be like right up in here. Just feel for the clip. Squeezing my arm against that muffler. Make sure it's not hot. Take your time. See that? Popped it right on out. And here it is. And then pull out towards you. And there it is. Take the new one. It does matter which way it go in. So this is the correct one. Now to test to see if it worked. Boom. Oh, wait a minute, this is the wrong side. Yeah, this is the wrong side. I thought I had the right one. I did the same thing with the front. Just a matter of taking that slotted part. See, take that slotted part, fit it up in there where it's supposed to go. About that clip. Make sure you take your time, because you don't want to break a thing. Slide it in there. Push. Make sure it's snap in place. And there's the end product. And like I said, I'll show y'all once it's night out. It is the same procedure as from the passenger side to the driver's side. It's the same procedure. So I don't have to show y'all that. Y'all know what it is. I'll get back to y'all once it's night. I almost forgot to tell y'all, once y'all done with the procedure on the passenger side, you want to crank up your car and turn your wheel all the way. I just locked my steering wheel. We'll turn it all the way to the passenger side so you can have access to that side marker. Alright. Now it's nighttime. Here's the end result. Real clean. Bright too. GoPro doesn't like low light. That's the end result. It looks so better in person. So much better in person. But I get it though. Got the halos on there. But yeah, that's all to it. That's how you install them.